Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Microsoft Word to default settings here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, we need to navigate to our registry editor. So by that, you need to press Windows and R key together, and in that way, you would be able to bring up this small window called Run. From here, please start for Reged Edit like this. REGEDIT. Once you've typed that, please proceed on clicking on OK to continue. So the moment you click on OK, you would be able to see a window where your user account control is asking you to confirm your action. Simply click on Yes to give permission and running this window called Registry Editor. From here, you would be able to see a window like this, and you need to navigate to the upper left side of the screen where you can see there a list of keys. Here, you need to locate for the second keys, which is HKey underscore current underscore user. After that, click this forward arrow and you would be able to see a list of options. For here, you need to locate for this file folder or key named software. Once you're done, click on it to expand it once again and go with Microsoft, which is next to Intel in my case. Click this forward arrow once again. And under the Microsoft key, you need to locate for Office. So I can see it here next to Nucleus. Click this forward arrow again, and from here, you would be able to see the number or the version number of your Microsoft Office. So you might have a different number, and that's completely fine. They only differ with the number because they depend on the version that you are having. So click on that forward arrow aligning to it, and you would be able to see a file key named Word. So here, you need to do a right click and go with delete. And if your window if it will ask you to confirm your action on deleting the key, click on yes to proceed. And once you have removed it, close all of the paths that we have just accessed or opened. And after that, close the registry editor window as well. And from here, navigate to the bottom search bar and type for Word. When you see the best match, please click on open to continue. And in that way, you have just successfully reset the Microsoft Word to default settings. So that's it. You can now close the window and you're good to go. Okay? Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Don't forget also to leave a comment at the comment section below if you have succeeded on resetting your Microsoft Word into default settings. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.